In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to embed videos in a Wix Pro gallery. If you want to add a little more depth to your site and engage your visitors, embedding videos is an efficient way to do this. Firstly, you will need to identify the Wix Pro Gallery element on your page while in the editor mode. Once you locate the Wix Pro Gallery element, your next action is to select the option called Manage Media. This command gives you access to control the media items that appear on your Wix Pro Gallery. Next, after launching your Manage Media, you're going to click on the button labeled Add Media. By clicking on Add Media, you open a new dialog box that will permit you to upload your preferred video. Depending on your preference or the video's hosting, you can either upload a video file directly from your personal computer, or you can embed a video that's currently available on a third-party site. When uploading from your computer, you can click on the option labeled Video Upload or Upload Media. However, if you choose to embed from a third-party site, you'd select the option that corresponds to the third-party site where the video is being hosted, such as YouTube, Vimeo, or Facebook. You would then need to paste the link to the video in the provided text box. Once the video has been added, it's time for customization. Enhancing your video to fit your site's aesthetic or your personal taste would require you to click on the video. You can adjust the settings either by clicking directly on the video and then selecting the Settings option, or you can navigate to the Manage Media section. In the settings, manipulate various options relating to the playback, like whether the video should autoplay when a visitor comes to your site or loop continuously. You can also adjust the display settings and decide if you want a play button to show on the video. You might also want to add a video link or a description. Lastly, once you're satisfied with all configurations and customizations, click on the Add to Page button or Save button to finalize your changes. To ensure your changes become visible and go live on your site, click on the Publish button. Your page visitors can now enjoy your favorite videos while browsing your site, and you can enjoy an extra touch of professionalism and engagement that videos offer. That is the end of our tutorial on how to embed videos in a Wix Pro Gallery. Thank you for following along.